We're filming, guys. Lights up.
Thanks.
Quiet on set. And we're rolling.
Thank you, Kris Jenner.
Wow. Thank you.
She would do that.
This is Ready, Set, Go, where we are putting your DIY skills to the test in today's challenge. We have a very exciting group of guys joining us today. Before we get into the game, can we just go down the line, tell us a little bit about yourselves, you know, when you got engaged, when you're getting married, etc. So let's start down here with you two gentlemen.
My name is Erik Velasquez. My lovely fiance, Samuel, I proposed to him in January, and we don't have a date yet because...
We're in process.
Got it.
2020 TBD.
Yeah, coming soon.
No pressure. Announce it now. I am Greg, and this is my fiance, Peter. We've been engaged for a little over a year, and we're getting married September 28th.
Let's get into the rules, guys. So, what you're going to be doing today is creating the best bachelor-esque bag that you can create. Up first, you are going to be decorating it. So you're gonna have 1 minute. We're looking for themes, we're looking for creativity, we're looking to put it all in the line.
Okay.
So, and then next we'll be moving into stuffing it. We have a ton of cool items, but there are also some like crazy wild items to sort of throw you off. Third up, you're gonna be pitching me on why your bag is better than your team's. 1 minute on the clock, ready, set, go. Okay. Do we have a strategy going in either team?
Not at all.
Not at all? Okay,
Just
I see some
gorgeous.
cool designs. The markers are an immediate grab from each team. Love it. Okay, we're going for the stickers. This is new. I like it.
Sparkles.
Guys, we're at
Can you
40
guess why?
seconds. 40 seconds, guys.
Wait, what?
Ooh, it's looking very neat, looking very calculated. Okay, guys, we're at the halfway point. Halfway point.
I was gonna do something like falling out of there, you know, make it look suspenseful. There.
Love it. Okay,
love
guys,
that
we're at
you're
20
married.
seconds.
Kirk, do stuff. Yeah, do that.
Okay, we're at 5 seconds, guys. The
Oh my God,
last
count it
things,
down.
last things. Okay, ready? Stop, hands up, hands up. Oh.
Oh, that's the cheater!
I personalized my touch.
You brought your own stickers.
Doesn't have to be.
Hey, sometimes it's about what's on the inside.
I'm not going to apologize for having merch. I will not be shamed.
Well,
Gentlemen, your bags are now decorated. Now it's time to fill them. In front of you is an assortment of, you know, trinkets, great, fun things to put in a bag.
It's a lot of candy. Is this on keto?
I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Stuff as many of the items as you can that are on theme for your bag. 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. We're at 5 seconds.
Oh, no! No!
Okay, stop, hands up.
Did you just see that? Wait, I don't want beard wash. Yeah, that's right.
ew.
Wow. Guys, this was a new level of competition we haven't seen yet today.
You've never
should
seen
have seen this
sabotage
outside.
on camera? Because that's what just happened. So, I mean, I said
Save it for the
Not-
reunion.
I said
Not
it.
on
Save it for
a,
the
not on
reunion.
I
a,
said it.
I've never seen sabotage on a game show on the Knot. All right, teams, your gift bags are finished. They look great. Now it's time to pitch me.
Do they look great?
They look good. They look great. So walk me through. You're gonna have 30 seconds to talk through why you put the items in the bag, how they fit the theme, how they fit you as a couple, etc. All right, so let's start over here with Erik and Sam. I'm putting 30 seconds on the clock. Ready, set, go.
We got some beautiful glasses here because you got to be pretty, you know, to make up for this.
Yeah, tell me about the outside a
Well,
little.
see, the outside is just about being gay
curious-
and messy.
Yeah,
Which is basically what we are.
Rushing, we're always last minute.
But it's sparkly.
Oh, okay.
And a girl's got to eat, so you got to have them sausages.
First thing you need.
And you know, when people aren't being,
Wow.
That in mind, yeah.
And then, you know, sometimes, you know, we get hungry.
Oh,
but-
sorry, we're at time.
We had so many good stuff.
Oh, okay. So we saw 3 of the items. Sorry, not a lot of time on there. All right, are we ready for the next team?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Ready? 30 seconds on the clock. Go.
Okay, so the outside is more of a preview of our entire wedding. So this is to like get people like kind of hyped and ready. And then inside, since the majority of all of our ceremony and our reception is outside, we want it to be very sustainable. So minimal products, minimal. And who doesn't want to help save the environment? So if we lose, it's because you don't care about the environment.
Wow.
Who doesn't doesn't want a hoodie bag.
Oh, woo! Bam.
Just saying.
Okay. All right. After much deliberation with myself, I'm able to
I like to
pick.
review the judges.
You both did a great job.
Oh, we won.
But it's gonna be Greg and Peter.
Oh, so you like the environment?
I love the environment. You didn't even.
Winners, though.
I
We're
just-
all winners.
I'm taking the sausages.
I'm sore loser.
Do you like the personalized stickers?
I did. You didn't even talk about it during the pitch.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Wrong product.
Personalize everything. Just my summer merch sticker designed by Hey Rooney. Follow him.
Available for purchase at.
Swipe up now.
We do have prizes for the winners, some sweet treats.
Oh.
With a little something blue,
Very
and then
cute.
just so our second place winners
Very
don't
cute.
go away empty-handed, 2 gold stars. Yeah.
Look,
I'm
honey.
gonna
Very
take my
good.
star.
There we
I'm gonna
go.
wear this with.
Do you guys?
You guessed it.
Do you
Pride.
guys want these? Because these aren't on keto. I can't
I knew we were gonna.
I don't want your charitable cookies. Okay.
All right, thank you guys for playing. It was
you.
lovely to have you. Congrats.
Thank you.
I hope that was as obnoxious as you were expecting.
It was great. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check back in for more episodes of Ready, Set, Go. And leave in the comments below who you think's bag should have came out on top.